have got a cute cactus. पहली बात तो ये है कि मैं बस स्किन केयर बॉडी केयर ये सब नहीं दिखाने वाली हूँ, कुछ टिप्स भी बताऊंगी जो आपको चाहिए, जो वीडियो के एंड पे होगा. सो मेक श्योर टू वॉच द फुल वीडियो. हेलो गाइस, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. मैं हूं समृद्धा सरकार एंड टुडे आई एम बैक विथ अनदर बिग वीडियो, क्योंकि मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ मॉनसून एसेंशियल्स दैट नोबडी आस्क्ड फॉर. एनीवेज, सो हाँ, और अभी तो आप लोगों को पता ही होगा कि अभी मॉनसून्स चल रहे हैं और कितना डिफिकल्टीज है. लाइक एवरीवेयर देयर इज वेटनेस. लड़कियों को हर वक्त कुछ ना कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए होता है, एज अ लाइक पर्सनल हाइजीन बोलो या फिर स्किन केयर, मेकअप, सब कुछ के लिए. ठीक है, बहुत सारे क्रिएटर्स हैं जो आपको बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाने वाले हैं, लाइक रेंजिंग फ्रॉम वेरी अफोर्डेबल टू वेरी हाई क्वालिटी एंड वेरी हाई कॉस्ट प्राइसी थिंग्स. पर आपको चाहिए क्या, वो खुद आप डिसाइड करेंगे. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm gonna talk about some of the hygiene products that you need while traveling or अपने घर पे भी. So, उजला हुआ Be Safe. This is like a spray. खत्म हो गया ये. This is like a mint spray. ठीक है, बाहर जा रहे हो, ठीक है, और आपको वॉशरूम यूज करना है, पब्लिक वॉशरूम, सो इट्स वेरी अनसेफ नो. ओके, सो in any day, okay, 12 months you can use this Be Safe, because पहली बात तो ये, वॉशरूम में बहुत स्मेल आता है, उसको भी भगा देगा ये, ट्रस्ट मी. 10 सेकेंड आपको वेट करना है, फिर आप यूज कर सकते हैं वॉशरूम को. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, दिस इज अ वेरी एसेंशियल इन ऑल द सीजन्स, नॉट ओनली इन मानसून. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द स्टे फ्री सिक्योर नाइट वन, नाइट वर्जन. यहाँ पे नाइट्स लिखा हुआ है. इसका ₹50 है और इसमें शायद छः यूनिट्स, मतलब 6 पैच आता है. दिस इज सो गुड, स्पेशली फॉर अ गर्ल लाइक मी जिसका 7 days पीरियड्स होता है एंड सेकेंड एंड थर्ड डे, मतलब इतना फ्लो होता है रात को कि यू नो गर्लीज. सो दिस इज वेरी नेसेसरी आइटम इन योर वार्डरोब. अफियामद शावर जेल, ये मैंने डील पे लिया था, एनी काइंड ऑफ शावर जेल, बट this is specially for the monsoons, for the greasy wetty atmosphere. I feel like this is like it makes you smell like a fruit, like a berry after the shower, and this is so good. Okay, मैंने ये monsoons में खरीदा इसलिए इतना तक बस finish हुआ है. You all can understand, I hope. So yeah, make sure to buy this if you are searching for a good berry kind of shower gel. Next I have this. Okay, first of all, मेरी शैम्पूज चेंज होता है हर बार. जब मैं ये पूरा बॉटल खत्म कर दूंगी, मैं कुछ और ही शैम्पू में बदल जाऊंगी. बहुत अफोर्डेबल परफ्यूम, मिस्ट बोलो, परफ्यूम बोलो, कुछ भी चाहिए मॉनसून्स में भी. You can always opt for, and you know what, I feel like Layers Water Girl is so underrated because firstly all of their fragrances are so perfect and so good, so berry like, so fruity. I'm talking about all the shades. This is freaking vanilla and this smells like real vanilla. Scalp massager, and you definitely need these for your hair, for massaging your scalps. Okay, ये आपको मैसाज भी करने में हेल्प देगा. और आप अगर शैम्पू यूज कर रहे हो तो ऐसे करके आप इजीली शैम्पू को हर तरफ आप मैसाज कर सकते हो अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, मैंने फुल बॉटल अभी खरीदी है क्योंकि पुराना बॉटल तो खत्म हो गया. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग स्ट्रिक प्रोफेशनल hair serum. By this time I think Strick should sponsor me. Anyways, do I need to talk about this? This serum is such an affordable, pocket friendly, budget friendly serum for your hair that everybody needs to have. Skincare products. Next we have Dot & Key's niacinamide acid serum. This bottle I have. Dot & Key should also sponsor me, because I have talked about this also. I have used literally 3 to 4 bottles, a beginner, for any kind of serum beginners. If you are opting for any kind of serum, do make sure to go for niacinamide acid, which has this 10% niacinamide acid, or don't be very specific about salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, blah blah blah. There are many videos. Okay, I'm not an expert, but from whatever I have heard, I have seen in the videos. Okay, do make sure to do your own research on all of those things, then proceed to buy any serum, any kind of serum. But as I have heard, for any kind of beginner, you can always opt for the niacinamide acid. I have a moisturizer. It's like a gel moisturizer suitable for all the seasons except winter. because this is a gel moisturizer from Mamaearth Upton Ultralight Gel Moisturizer. It's so lightweight. It also comes in a cold cream version, Upton Ultralight Upton cold cream version, not the gel one, cold cream version, which I use in the winters specifically. But this is so good. This want sponsorship from Aqualogica, because I have literally used all the variants of these sunscreen, okay, and I have talked about this 100 times on my channel because these are so good. Okay, dirt. Illuminate Dewy Sunscreen, Wild Berries and Alpha Arbutin. Another one is D10 Dewy Sunscreen with Cherry Tomatoes. So good, okay? So good for a monsoon, so good for winter, summer, all seasons. You can get one of these and you can just chill, okay? You don't need any other sunscreen. Okay, make sure to do your own research though. It's the saving. I was so skeptical about this by this razor of Safe. Can you guys see this? They gave me 3 other razors too, but this one is the first one that I'm using. This has this zigzag kind of thing going on. Okay, there will be detailed videos on the internet, on the YouTube channel. If you're wanting to start derma planning, there are detailed videos. Please make sure to follow them and use accordingly. Don't just go on everything that I'm saying or everything that any other person is saying. Just do your own research, okay? All I'm telling is every of the products that I have shown here, every of the things that I'm showing, talking about, do your own research. So I have been doing this for 3 to 4 months now, and I haven't seen any of this scary things that has been talked about by elders, okay? I haven't seen it. So yeah, you can opt for them. Come to the makeup products now, which is we have this Lakme 9 to 5 BB cream or CC cream, I don't know, in the shade beige vanilla. Weightless works like heaven. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. If you want this, if you want a good BB cream or CC cream, like everyday use, if you're a girl who does minimal amount of makeup, not like the shadi wala makeup, you can always opt for this. Lip liner in the shade Deep Dawn. This is so good. Let me show you guys. This is so creamy. Any kind of thing you can opt for, but if you're wanting an affordable lip and cheek tint, please get this, because this is so good. This is like literally a dupe of dupes. Okay, so it's for 150 rupees, but you can obviously get it lesser amount also if you search for it for the deals and everything. So yeah, it looks like this, and the shade too fruity, like I don't know. But if you're opting for a good lip and cheek tint like this, like Benny tint kind of thing, you can always opt for them. Look at the mascara. Go for Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara, because firstly, this bottle looks so adorable, like a bullet, like a missile or something. Why I'm talking about? Okay, so okay, let's go for a cinematic shots. And stays on your this palke for 24 hours. Let me tell you that if you do not smudge like it will literally stay. 2 years, I guess, not 3 years. 3 years तो इसका expiry date हो जाएगा. But if you're opting for any kind of waterproof high-end mascara, go for this. This is not very expensive too, because makeup products generally ऐसे ही होता है. Like this much चलता है. इससे अगर कम खरीदोगे तो खड़ा भी मिलेगा ना. Next, I have an eyeliner. I do not have any good suggestions for eyeliner, because जो वो nail polish paints में आता है ना, 2000 kids will understand that nail polish bottle I'm talking about. That was good, but मुझे लगता है monsoon sales में वो काम नहीं करेगा, because it's not waterproof. Okay, like I have seen it, I have used it, so I won't recommend that. But I will recommend another thing. But this is from Zudio. Okay, this is from Zudio. So yeah, I don't have any other options. I have only this one, and this literally doesn't smudge. The wing is so perfect. Wing is also perfect. So like, we are finally towards the end of the mist. Now I'll be sharing with you some of few tips that you need in your wardrobes and anything else. Do not, in the monsoon season, do not opt for any light clothes or transparent clothes, because if you somehow agar aap bheeg gaye, everything inside can be seen. So please opt for anything like printed. If you're having some kind of light clothes, opt for printed ones, like these kind of prints. Secondly, always make sure to carry one of these in your bag, because you never know, you have to wipe this off, or you can carry any kind of towel or anything. Also keep a clutcher. Ye clutcher maine aise hi, like this, if you have to.
3, 2, 1.
One is Odomos, because listen bro, this is monsoon season. Okay, मच्छर हर जगह बस अपनी गाना सुनाते हैं. So you need this. Odomos is such a affordable, such a good product that everyone should have in their life. Let me tell you, it's an essential product and you need this. I have a cute product that I recently got. I have one Crocs. Okay, first let me talk about, some people do not like Crocs, but nowadays you have slippers and shoes also, like from Zudio. I'm talking about this specific brand Zudio. They have slippers, they have chappals, they have Crocs, they have shoes. But what I'm specifically talking about here is this material, these kind of material. I want you to have one of the products, shoe footwear, okay, because you cannot wear shoes in the monsoon season. Definitely it's a big no, big. इस material का कोई भी चीज आपके wardrobe में होना चाहिए, especially for monsoon seasons. You know how big it is. So with that, I'm coming on to the end of the vlog video. So आपको अगर कोई एसेंशियल चीज आपके दिमाग में है, सो प्लीज मेक श्योर टू राइट डाउन इन द कमेंट सेक्शंस. ऑलवेज वेयर अ स्माइल, दैट्स मोर इंपॉर्टेंट इन द रेनी सीजन. और हाँ, रेनकोट और छतरी, यू डेफिनेटली नीड दिस. ऑल्सो इफ यू आर wanting any kind of lip combos, do make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I will be sharing with you some affordable good makeup combos, not makeup combos, lip combos. So make sure to check that out too. Okay, bye.